So if you've been having some fun with the new Unreal Engine Metahuman Curator, then exporting your characters from Quixel Bridge to Unreal Engine, and you want to keep consistent look. So for example, when we go to a further camera, we don't get this. So to fix this, LODs, we want to disable that. Press Ctrl B to locate your character, double click, then in the components panel scroll all the way down to LOD sync, and on the force LOD, instead of -1 just put it to 1, click compile and save, and you should be good to go. So for example, when you have a camera like this, then you have another camera and you've decided for any reason to go to distant place, you don't get the funny face we got at the beginning of this video. This was your boy Yahya. If you found this useful, subscribe so you don't miss useful stuff, and I will see you guys very soon. Cheers.